What is going on? My name is Kia Orion. I'm the founder of Beat School, and I wanted to come talk to you really quickly about what you can expect out of this masterclass. As producers who are just getting started on their journey, it can be difficult to know who to listen to, what's the right information, what's complicated, and to parse through all the information to really know what you need to get started. Because here's the deal. There's so much information out there on YouTube and all these other free resources that you can get overwhelmed. And I remember that feeling. I said, okay, all of this seems cool, but I don't even know where to start. I'm just getting my feet wet. And that's what I want to help you with. I want to give you a roadmap, give you a direction, help you avoid the pitfalls that most beginners make when they're first starting out, that I made when I first started out, to help save you time and also the headache and the effort of learning things if you don't actually need to know them. Now, I've realized 10 years in the game that there are certain things that I think are foundational that everyone can know and benefit from. And then there's a bunch of other fancy stuff that we always get caught up in that you don't actually need to know. So in this free training, I'm going to jump into what are the biggest mistakes that beginners make, how you can avoid them, how you can save yourself years of trial and error by getting started off on the right foot. I'm excited to see you there.